What's going on, guys? Today I want to talk to you guys about HKS Super SQV blow-off valve for my Subaru Wrx 2015. As some of you guys probably already know, this valve right here is a sequential blow-off valve. HKS, of course. If we read behind the box, it talks about dual valve design. Alright, it's a dual stage pull tab relief valve which will not leak under any level of boost. This ensures a quick valve response and complete closure during idle. So there you have it right here. It's a simple setup. Alright, for those of you with the front mount intercooler 2015 and up, all you need so far is blow off valve. Already comes with the adapter frame that does not require the extra adapter. When I talk about the adapter, this is the one that I was talking about. I was referring to HKS BOV valve adapter. Alright, when I ordered mine, I did not know I was gonna need it, and in reality was that I didn't need it, so it was not need for me to install on my top mount intercooler. This actually right here is not my original top mount intercooler. This is upgraded, and this one is from Green Speed, but same type frame, same measurements, nothing needed to be added to it with the exception of the gasket. Alright, simple hookups, simple connections. Alright, your vacuum hose right here. Now if we take a look at the old one, this is the original. Alright, same setup with the exception of this feeding right here. It was isolated with the new blow off valve. As you guys can see right here, that hose, alright, that comes from the intake manifold, it was capped and isolated, so it was no longer needed. Alright, now this valve right here is what they call the grandfather of the blow off valves. Alright, is sound legit, it's nice, it's clean. Alright, and on top of that, right, it's one of the most effective blow off valve in the aftermarket. I've been having it already for a year and I have no issues with it. My car has been upgraded to stage 2 short block from Metro Performance. I got upgraded injectors, upgraded fuel system, a few other modifications such as upgraded turbo, and I haven't experienced any source of leaks when it comes to boost level, boost pressure. So far I can tell you that HKS is one of the best recommendations you can go for when it comes to blow off valve for your Subaru Sti. Now I don't know exactly what you're looking for a WRX. I don't want to guess on that, but this model right here can easily fit your 2015 to the 2018. Alright, as far as I know, same top mount intercooler, and it should be just a plug and play. Alright, this valve right here also has a new differential pressure control system and allows you for a stable operating ranges from low to high boost pressures. Alright, it comes provided with an OEM like mounting flange to allow the users to have a ready installation. Now if you need a different flange like I was mentioning before, it will be this one right here, which is the adapter. But once again, I didn't need that, and this one says it was for a WRX 2002 2007, STI 2004 2014. So if you are anything below 2013 and below, you will need this one right here. 2015 and up, you do not need it. Alright, so if you have any questions in relationship to this blow off valve, you can go ahead and comment down below. I will do my best to answer as much as I can. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave you guys up with the demonstration down the road how this blow off valve sounds like. Alright, thank you guys. Peace out.